Hello, my name is Aldo Kurniawan. I'm from half Malaysia and half Indo, and then I'm raising and born in Bali. I'm a surf instructor. I've been like a teaching maybe like so many years, and then I've been teaching a lot of more than 1,000 people. I like doing like a surfing because there's no how to the feeling with the ocean. I also give like some opportunity to be you in the ocean about the safety thing and about the how do you read the wave, how you like riding the wave, how to like you doing like bottom tune. And then I'm also doing like somewhere like surfing, not only like for beginner. I also like do like for intermediate, amateur, and like advice. So I gonna be see you soon, and I gonna be see you on the next trip. Shaka.